myself Dr. Saroj Chauhan. On behalf of the management of SPS Model High School, I would like to congratulate all the toppers of the class 10th and 12th. My heartfelt congratulations to the parents and teachers for their untiring efforts to mold these children for the marvelous success. I believe that students can achieve the target if there is hard work and devotion. And these girls have definitely proved by hard work and devotion that they can achieve any goal in their life. We believe in excellence for Quest and we are constantly working on it. And in future, we believe that our students will definitely make us proud like these girls have just proved themselves. So we believe in sustainable development of the children and we are constantly working on it. And in future, I believe that most of the students will be achieving sustainable goal in their life. So on behalf of the management, I wish you all very best for your future so that you will keep us making ourselves proud. Thank you so much.
I want to express my heartiest congratulations to all the toppers of class 10th and plus 2 in CBSE board examination 2019-2020. Dear students, this success is due to your hard work, cooperation of your parents, and above all, the untiring efforts of teachers who teach you, guide you, and mentor you to reach your highest potential. Once again, I congratulate everybody and all the best for your future endeavors.
Dear students, first of all, I would like to congratulate all the students of class 10th and 12th for their board exam result. Heartily congratulations from the entire team of mathematics. We know exams were tough, but champions like you have proved that how to cross these hurdles and could show the way to others how to move ahead. You have won over our expectation and we are proud of your achievement. So in the end, we wish you all the success for your new adventure. Stay safe and keep learning.
Dear students, good morning. I hope you all are fine and healthy at home. Today, I give my heartiest congratulations to all of you for passing the board exam of 10th and 12th standard this year. We are proud of you. You all have worked really hard. Even in this COVID-19 pandemic, you set an example to everyone. That hard work and passion of learning something new is beyond boundaries. I hope you keep up your hard work and achieve success in your future. Thank you.
Dear students, always believe in yourself. You have the ability to do any kind of work, whatever it is, easy or tough. So be confident and work hard to get your dreams. Best of luck for your future and congratulations for your achievements. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
First of all, good morning to my dear friends. Myself, Mandeep Kaur, and today I am here to share some tips to my juniors so that they can also achieve good marks. And I have scored 96% in 12th board examination. So I'm going to share these tips. You can also follow this to obtain good marks. First of all, as you know that hard work is the key to success. So do hard work as much you can. Study in the silent atmosphere. Do proper and early revision and be dedicated towards your work and be passionate. And also do study with full concentration. It doesn't matter for how many hours you study. The thing which matter is with how much concentration you study. Even if you study 10 minutes with full concentration, It's more than studying 2 hours without zero concentration. And after that, maintain the good health. If your health is not good, you are not going to study properly. And deep understand the concept through deep learning, and also try to solve the previous year question paper and also sample paper. It will encourage your knowledge, and also ensure that your study should not be affected due to some other personal work. And last, I just want to say that don't panic while studying. It's easy. Discard cramming, understand the concepts in the logical manner. For such good score, I want to give credit to my parents, teachers, and also along with that, I also did a lot of hard work. Thank you.
Myself Ekam Jatkar, and I have scored 92% marks in my 10th board examination, and I would like to give credit of my achievement to my parents and my teachers. And with hard work and dedication, we can achieve anything in our life, and I have proved it. Thanks.